Creating a book cover for KDP on Canva is easy and fun. Let's get started. Welcome to my channel Talents into Assets. If you are new here, my name is Helen. Before we start, if you don't have a Canva account, you are required to create one so that you can follow up with this tutorial. The first step to create your book cover on Canva for your KDP paperback books requires to have a right dimension like width and length. To have that every time, you don't need to go to Amazon KDP. You just have to download. They have a tool, file setup calculator. You can download from Amazon Help Center resource and tool section. Is a Excel file. Every time you create, they have every information that you need to create a cover, interior with bleed or with no bleed. I already have the tool, so I'm going to put my information in the tool. Then it will give me the right dimension for the book cover that I'm going to create today. When you have the right size for your book cover dimension, go to your Canva homepage and click the button that says create a design. When you click that button, it will give you a drop down menu. On the drop down menu, just click on custom size. On the custom size, you will have the width and the height, and there are so many measurements under the next to the height. As you can see, you just need to select the inch, not the pixel or other measurements. So after you click the inch sign, put the right dimension on the appropriate place and click create new design. Then Canva will create for you the right dimensions that you enter on your design. Then you can start designing your cover according to your wish. For this tutorial, I would like to create just a simple cover design with a cartoon character in front of the cover. So I am going to go to, or you can use an element template from Canva, but I rather use my own twist and came up with a unique design idea. So I use elements to find some graphics that I can use for my cover design. So I type whatever character that I want. I like to have a funny or any cartoon animal. So I like this llama. So I'm going to select this one. Then I will start editing so that it will be unique, because you cannot sell as it is any element from Canva. You have to change the color. If it is a written word, you have to change the font also. Otherwise, Canva, you will contradict the Canva user policy. So to be on the safe side, it is always better to change the elements as much as you can. So Canva is, as you can see, very simple to use. When you click each colors, you can change the colors, you can change the fonts, and came up with a decent looking graphic design for any project you like. So just fiddle with the elements that you select. If you want to change the color of the cover, you simply select the page, and when you select, you will see this color bar. When you click that one, you can see a lot of color options. Then you can choose whatever color that you want for your book cover, or add other backgrounds from elements or other places that you want. If you want to have a different color spine for your book, you just have to select a rectangle tool from the element and put it in the Canva. When you put any element in the Canva, you will see these red lines that will show you whether it is in the center or it is off center. So the vertical and the horizontal lines will give you where your elements are. So make sure it is placed in the center, then divide the book accordingly in the middle of the book, so that it could be the spine of the book that can be shown both sides. To add a text on your book cover, just go to the T sign where it says text. Then when you click that, you will have a lot of options. Just click add text box, then find the font that you like, or if you have a preferred font, type the font, that's the name of the font. Then if it is available in Canva, it will give you. But be careful not to use the font that is with a crown sign. That is only for pro users, and unless you are a pro users, I suggest you stick with the free fonts. There are a lot of fonts that are very good for KDP cover designs or any kind of projects that you want to do. If you have a design element that you want to make them in a certain position, you can align them with ease in Canva. When you select all the elements, after you select all the elements, you go to this three dot and you see the position button. When you click on that, you can see whatever you want to do. So if you want to make them in the center, right or left, or vertical or horizontal, and maybe also tidy up is like it will put them in the right order, like in the same space, so that you can use that to align your elements in the graphics. It's also important to add something at the back of your book cover, maybe your brand name or some logo. Then you can add that at the bottom. So make sure not to put it by the right by the edge, so that the barcode will not cover your element. So make sure it is in the middle. So once you are happy with your design, it's time now to download. So go click the share button. When you click that one, you will see some drop down menu and select download. When you select that one, there is a suggested print format, but you have to click the arrow and select PDF best for print. Then when you select that one, you will also see three boxes. You need to tick flatten PDF, because when you flatten the PDF, it will make sure it prints correctly or properly. Then you are done with your design, so click the download button. Here you have it. You just created a book cover using Canva for your KDP. Thank you for watching, and I would like if you subscribe to my channel and leave a comment or give me some, if you have any questions, I will be glad to answer. Until next time, bye bye.